Welcome to the garden, na 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 na. Welcome to the garden, na 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 na. Na 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 na, eh, eh, eh. Welcome to the garden, na 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 na. Welcome to the garden, na 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 na. Na 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 na, eh, eh, eh. Welcome to the garden, na 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 na. Welcome to the garden, na 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 na. Welcome to the garden, na 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 na, baby. Welcome to the garden, na 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 na. Welcome to the garden, na 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 na. Na 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 na, eh, eh, eh. Welcome to the garden, na 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 na, baby.
I wanted to do a speech. I wanted to say something in the very beginning of this video. In the morning when I woke up, I had my coffee and I thought to myself, what a beautiful day to do things in the garden. But as soon as I got out on the garden, I've lost that positivity. There's so much to do and the will to do it is gone already. So I guess without further ado, I'll just start. Yeah, it's time to do something. For the start, I need you to know that I don't really know what I'm doing. I mean, obviously I have to clean everything, right? But for example, shall I prune this one? I have no clue. I'll just Google that. Right? In this case, internet says I should cut it by half. I don't even know if the plant is alive, to be honest, so I'll just... Well, it's green inside, so I guess it's alive. It's me to blame for its condition, because I've replanted it at the end of the year. It was October, I believe. So if it survives, I'm lucky. The internet also said I should be doing it before the vegetation starts. But the vegetation started already, like probably 2 weeks ago. In the middle of February, we started getting those crazy temperatures, like 15 degrees, fully sunny. Where's the ladybug? I don't know. Don't want to kill the ladybug. They're helpful. Jesus, what a mess. How am I supposed to do that? To be honest, I don't even know if it's alive. First of all, it's in a pot, so it may not survive the winter time. It's still green, so there is a chance for it. But we shall see. Jesus, I should have bought myself a smaller one. And this, Jesus. Next year, I was thinking about it. Next year, when he will grow up, I'll make him do it. Like, I'll be lifting him like this, and yeah, I'll make Julian do it. Oh my God. Oh dear Lord. Yeah, this one and this one as well. Be gone. Oh my God. These are the hands of a working class. Oh dear lord. It's 4 p.m. on Saturday. I started at 11 a.m. obviously. Once again, it shouldn't be new to me. I thought I can make it faster. I just did this part. Not even fully, I would say. So I guess there will be more episodes about me gardening. Again. But I'm like completely tired. Gotta spend some time with the kid. I have to eat something as well. So I did good today. So what's next? Gotta do something with the lawn. It looks horrible. It's just disgustingly bad. But I don't mind. I'll fix it. I have to water this part because the rest of the lawn started to grow, you know? And this part is underneath the balcony of my neighbor. Actually, like 8 neighbors. Or 7, I don't know. So this part has to be watered down ASAP. I've connected the water again after the winter. It leaks by the tap and somewhere in the back. So there's plenty to do. I need to borrow power rake to clean this one, clean the lawn. Then I'll do scarifying. So it has to be like, you know, the device I had in last year. Scarifier with a power rake attachment. So that's what I'll do. Yes, that's it. I need to eat something. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Don't forget to visit my GoFundMe maybe. And Patreons and buy me a coffee as well. Yep. I'll see you next week.